All right, in this problem, we're going to find the discriminant of x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. And we want to know how many roots does it have. Now, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. It's the part under the square root of the quadratic formula. And that's when a quadratic is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. In this case, there is no number written in front of x squared. That number is 1 if there's no number written. So a is 1, b is negative 6. This is the same as plus negative 6x. So b is negative 6 and c is 8. So we're going to substitute those values in. So I'm going to do negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8 and see what that value is. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, we're still multiplying by 8. So we have 36 minus 4 times 8 is 32. So the value of our discriminant is 4. If the discriminant is positive, that means we have 2 real unique roots.